Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is a tutorial on creating a PDF to Excel converter using Python with the help of the tabula-py library. This library allows you to extract tables from PDFs into pandas data frames, and then you can use pandas to save the data frame as an Excel file. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. Install the necessary libraries using the following commands. Create a Python script, example pdf_to_excel_converter.py, and include the following code. Replace path/to/your/input/file.pdf and path/to/your/output/output.xlsx with the actual paths for your PDF input file and desired Excel output file. Save the script and run it using. The script will process the PDF, extract tables, and save them to the specified Excel file. Note: keep in mind that the effectiveness of this solution may vary depending on the complexity and structure of the PDF tables. Adjustments might be needed based on the specific PDFs you are working with. ChatGPT.